My name is Jenifer Ventura. I'm with Safebound Luxury.
I'm Nathaniel. I'm with Safebound Luxury. We specialize in high-end moves. We deal with antique dealers. We deal with designer firms. Anything that needs the higher end of moving. And we can also do last-minute moves, and a lot of people don't have the workforce to be able to do that. And we have the team. We have friendships. We have reliability. We have everything that's needed to make moving easy for you.
We love that with our company, really, it's an art form, right? So designing, moving, there's a lot of different moving parts that go into that whole process. So we love that we really pay attention to the detail to make it a smooth transition and a great process for our clients.
Everybody hates moving, to be honest, but what we can do is make it easier for you.
You can actually find us on many different platforms. If you Google us, right, we will be one of the first ones that pop up for you. And if you search us up on Instagram, you can find us also at Safebound Luxury, and we are also on Facebook as well. So just type in our name and you'll find us there.